Police official G.K. Iangrai, who is facing probe for alleged diversion of funds in the construction of National Emergency Response System (NERS) building at Sadar Police Station, was produced to court on Saturday. Iangrai was to be produced in court on Thursday, but due to his ill health, he was undergoing treatment in Shillong Civil Hospital. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Home Minister Lakmin Rimbuyan Saturday informed Iangrai has been suspended. He said that a case has been registered, the accused arrested, and the law will take its own course and all legal procedure will be followed.
The law will take its own course. The case has been registered and person have been arrested. So, legal process will follow.
Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin